Yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. So, Aaron is right next to me. On your side, on the left. On my side, he's on my right. Don't even. Come in. You can come in, Aaron. So, hurry up, Aaron. So he's right here. He's not going to be any part of this video. He's just right here. So, okay. So, anyways, like I said on my last video, only outdoor videos and some project videos. And so yeah, I am outdoors, obviously, as you guys can see. And as most of you guys know, we live in New York, and it actually, shockingly, on a January, it snowed. So here it is. I'm just gonna be showing you on how to survive in the warmth. Well, no, how to survive by staying warm. Obviously, this isn't gonna be like everything. It's not. It's just gonna be there just to help out and support. So obviously sometimes when, I don't know how you can explain it, but sometimes when you're cold, let me move back. Sometimes when you're cold and when you're doing something like building, and when you're building a fort, your hands, especially me without my gloves, Aaron has gloves on already, I'm cold. I have nothing underneath my legs. This is one layer. I have pretty thick jacket covering with short t-shirt on. So yes, obviously it's cold, and you can see based on my breath if you guys can't see the fog, but so I'm gonna be teaching you how to survive on only using this and some tools that I have. Only 1, 2, 3 things. What are you doing? I don't know how this has to relate with anything.
Ben said it was very cold, and this is how cold it is. I don't have waterproof gloves, and
yeah, his fingers are gonna be cold. Rest in peace, Aaron. So I only have 3 things with me, and I'll actually show you too. So obviously I have my GoPro and equipment, and everything else is in here. And the 3 things, there's only 2 things in here: the bag and this blanket right over here. This blanket, you're gonna be like, oh, Ben, how are you gonna survive off of that? Well, you're not. Basically, this is only gonna be here for temporarily. So you're gonna only use this to survive and make yourself warm for a short period of time. With what you would classify as an open flame. So basically, right over here we have this tree stump covered in snow. Well, the first step that you're gonna need to do is obviously remove as much of the snow as possible. You do not want to sit in cold snow. That's gonna remove all the heat that you have left in your body. So no bueno, no bueno. You do not want that. So I'm just covering it out. I'm just removing. And wow, that snow made the ground really wet, like muddy. Now, you're gonna grab the blanket that you have. It doesn't matter what the material has to be. It just has to be long enough to cover you. So here it is. Here's mine. So I'm just gonna put this out here, somewhere dry so it doesn't get wet. So I'm gonna be right back. Boom. And then now you have the bag. And you might say, why does the bag count as a material? What?
you can't like edit that part, right?
No, I can't. Why?
Okay.
No. Anyways, so basically, when you're sitting in the cold ground, it's gonna expel all that heat, which is no good. You don't want that heat to get rid of inside you. So you could use this to sit. So I'm gonna simply just sit on here, using this as some sort of platform to protect myself from the cold. Oof, it's cold. So here it is. I can sit, I can crisscross applesauce if I wanted to. That's what I call it. Some people may call it something else. And boom, my butt isn't freezing cold now, shockingly. And, well, yeah, this is kind of nice, but we're not finished. Basically, what you're gonna have to do, right now is a good time to grab your blanket. Here's your blanket, and you want to cover yourself in it, covering any body part that you have. So your whole torso and your legs are the most important, and as well as your hands. So now that we're talking about this, right now we're having this. Now this may seem a little bit shocking to you, but here's a little tin. It's a machined tin, well, except for the sides. It's a machined off tin, so I don't want to give a company a sponsor, but so yeah, you basically just simply open this and boom, there's a tea light and some cotton balls. Cotton balls used as tinder, and the tea light can honestly be used as anything depending on your scenario. And then underneath here, underneath the cotton balls, you have some sort of lighting material and cut off matches, which I'll show you later. That will be used to light up the tea light, making an open flame. And the open flame will be used to warm you up. And you're gonna be like, oh, you're breathing in carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. Oh, is that gonna help you save your life? In this scenario, maybe. So it would be most likely just to risk it than just doing this. No, I mean, hold up. Wait, what? Oh my God. It'll be better to not risk your life by staying warm. So like, you want to stay warm, right? This is the optimal way of staying warm and, you know, keeping your life. So basically what you're gonna have to do is keep the thing in your pocket, and then you're just gonna simply want to sit down. Hold up, I gotta lower this. Oh, never mind. You're gonna have to sit down in any position that you want that would be most comfortable. Crisscross applesauce for me is the best, and you're gonna want to cover yourself, like actually cover yourself, and put the longest end in the back, and then boom, you have some sort of closed surface. Oh wow, it's actually getting pretty warm in here. So there you go, that's how you can warm up. And now you're gonna be like, oh wait, how does the match and the lights and the tea light have to do with anything of this? I'll show you right now. So now you're gonna want to sit down, like I just said, and you're gonna cover yourself. And then I'm gonna put one about an inch behind my head, and then cover yourself, cover the rest of your body. So boom, the sides, they're not really that important because you can cover them with your elbows and your arm. So there you go. Now you're gonna just want to stay. If you do not have a light or any sort of open flame, that is 100% okay. You could just use the warmth of your body and the warmth of your the carbon dioxide that you're breathing out to warm up your face, your hands, and your legs. So there you go. That's how you simply make it. And now I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside, and me showing you how to light it with the tea light. Why is Aaron over there? Oh, right. Anyways, so yeah, there we go. I'm gonna bring you guys in right now. So here you guys are inside my home right now, and boom, I have my tin right here, and I'm just gonna simply just open it up. Oh wow, I didn't know it fit that perfectly. I'm just gonna remove my tinder, my cotton, because I could still use that later on my future if I need to start a fire. Wow, this is kind of difficult, trying to not get any matches. So I'm just gonna remove at least one match from here. I'm just gonna put it to my side like that, and I'm gonna grab a lighter, the ignition, and then take my tea light and then cover it. Now I'm gonna cover it up. I'm gonna put it to my side like that. And now I have my tea light right here. I have my match, and I have my ignition source. So now simply I'm just gonna light up the tea light right here, and you just simply take it and you pull it off. I'll show you later. So I'm just gonna put it under like here. I'm gonna pull up the wick and then I'm just gonna simply just light it. Unfortunately, I can't really demonstrate because there we go. I put away the match, and now the tea light is burning. Oh, it's actually kind of warm around that air. Ooh, it's like I'm breathing in fire right now. No, I mean, it's like giving me, like, you know when you're around a campfire and then, and it's still cold in here, obviously, because you can see the fog, but after some time, it's tilting a little bit, but after some time, it stops. Oh wow, it's actually getting pretty warm in here right now. And my butt is a little bit colder than how it's supposed to be. But originally itself, now because of the light and I can put my hands around, oh wow, it's getting really warm. I'm getting those goosebumps because of how warm it is in here now. So obviously the fog is still, right? So as a demonstration, I'm just gonna stay here for a while, and I'm gonna talk about a little bit of the future, which I've already done, but I'm just gonna stay here for another like 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna show you how warm I am now. But I actually used to have some gloves, and I just removed them for, you know, this video purpose. So yeah, like I said on my other video, this thing is actually getting pretty warm. It feels really good in here. But like I said in my other video, I'm only trying to do some outdoor videos. So as my way of doing that, it's, Aaron, don't even think about throwing a snowball at me.
I'm making them.
I have a fire in here. Look in here. Come on. Come here, look. I'm joining. Actually, don't throw a snowball at me. Aaron, I actually have a fire in here.
Really?
Yeah, look. But anyway.
Should I put my glove on it?
No.
No.
Aaron, are you an idiot? You have gloves made with cotton. Come in, look. I don't think they can see your face, but you can see the open candle. It's really warm.
Can I come in?
There's no space for you. Ow. Almost
Can I
broke
put snow
myself.
on top?
No.
Okay.
I actually don't.
Okay. Oh.
So anyways, Aaron, go away, I could see you. Aaron. So anyways, like, oh. You see how warm it's getting now? Now because of how less smoke that there is, I'm basically already showing you how to do this. So basically this video isn't going to be like a legit. I may actually use this in some other techniques, but yeah, here we go. Now I'm going to show you the whole purpose of my tin. So yeah, it's getting really warm in here. See the smoke? It's not existent anymore, but wow, I feel so much warmer in here. I need to stay here for like another at least 20 minutes to get completely warm, where there's no more, I don't know how you phrase it, but no more coldness. I don't know how you say it, but yeah. So I'll be out. You guys will see everything, and see ya. Okay, so here we go. Here's the tin, and now I'm gonna show you. So basically you just open it. This is what it looks like after I did show you. And so here's gonna be my little fire starter. Here over here, and then I'm just gonna take away some tinder and then a single match. I have at least, I don't know how many I have, but I do have a lot. And so basically I just, oh my god, I have like 16 in here the last time I counted. And so now I have about like 15 probably. And so after, I'm gonna just put it right here.
Waterproof.
It is. Thank you for reminding me. It is waterproof. It is not fully. It is splash proof. So if you're gonna say, let's say if you're gonna dunk it in a bit of water, it's gonna survive that. The cotton will absorb a lot of it. So yes, it is a little bit waterproof. I need like something. I need like something to hold. Oh, right here. So here's my leaf. I'm gonna have my leaf. I'm gonna put my cotton ball in here, and then I simply just. Whoop, here's the match. Here's the leaf. Here's the ignition. This is what the ignition looks like. It looks a little bit like this, and you basically just take it and you light it up. So Aaron, come here. Hold this.
What?
Hold it. So show the camera. Come up, go up, go up. So right here, and you could pretty much see the cotton, and then you just take it. There we go. That's how you make a pretty lit
It's on my glove.
and then there you go. You have cotton ball that's still on fire pretty much.
I'm on fire.
And then there you go. And I'm just gonna put the now the leaf's on fire. Thank God we have a whole bunch of snow. And then the ignition, well, obviously the match is only a one-time use, but this ignition has enough to start this fire about 500 to 600 times if you're lucky with it. Actually, yeah, I did that. I did the research. So yeah, there we go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and like and subscribe and like if you like this kind of content. And see ya.
No.